The following tutorial describes the new notification system, enhanced equipment visibility, and how DS Core responds to different file uploads from Sidexis 4. Let's begin. First, let's check the equipment overview. In case your Sidexis server loses connection or the connector is logged out, the registered Sidexis server remains visible in the DS Core equipment list, giving you transparency about your setup. Next, let's upload a supported file and see the new notifications in action. Open Sidexis and upload an additional supported file, such as an intraoral X-ray. Switch to DS Core and look at the notifications panel. You'll see a message confirming that the upload has started, followed by another notification once the upload is finalized successfully. This step-by-step feedback ensures you always know the status of your diagnostic data transfer. Please note, when you manually import a file into the Sidexis 4 patient database, it is marked as a historical file if the acquisition date is not today. In that case, the historical file process must be triggered from the patient's media library in DS Core to upload the file. If the image was captured today, no additional action is required. Now let's see what happens when you upload a file that DS Core does not support. Return to Sidexis and upload an unsupported file type, for example, an STL file. Back in DS Core, you'll receive a clear notification explaining that STLs are not supported by Sidexis connector. However, you can upload them via drag and drop into the patient media library in DS Core. This feature improves transparency around supported formats, so you can quickly identify and resolve issues without guesswork. You will receive notifications in two main cases: when a new file is added in Sidexis and recognized by DS Core, and when you initiate a historical upload from Sidexis version 4.4. If the Sidexis server is down, uploads and notifications pause until the server is back online. Once restored, uploads resume normally without flooding you with old notifications. And if you manually add a new file in Sidexis, the same notification process applies to help keeping you informed. And that's it. Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new DS Core features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.